We have finished drying and the effect is very good. Then we will measure the distillation again. When the first distillation machine distilled, it was empty. Did you see that there is no oil in it? Open this valve, after opening it click here manual door lock exit one box, and enter one box, and then open the leaf. Replenish the oil here, let's see that the oil is flowing in, and send it to this pipe hole to flow oil to this position. This position is balanced with the tube inside. Did you see it? Just leave it here. It's all oily here. After the fall is finished, stop the machine and turn it off as this oil. Add it to this position. When this position is balanced with this, you can stop adding it. I turned off this place and closed it here, and no more oil. Now that I have added enough oil, then close this valve and remember to close this valve. Okay. This oil is just right. Only then can you use the effusion system. You see, this is the clothes we washed just now. It's oily. Now after washing, see how clean the oil is. This is the filtration system. The oil is very clean. Now the distillation system of box 1. Let's test distillation now. Distillate the box 1. Operation door lock come manual operation door lock. Click outer box, exit outer box, enter the distillation box, enter the distillation. Oops, cigarette light pumps. Okay, come, look behind, look here. Now oil is in, see. Now the oil is in the distillation box. This is a box of oil, now a box of oil is in the distillation box. Close the valve below. This valve is closed. See it? This is close now, it's close now, it's don't open now, still. When distillation is in progress, all valves must be closed tightly. All valves must be closed tightly. No air leaks at all. All valves must be closed tightly. Now a box of oil has been distilled. I saw that all the boxes of oil have been distilled. Wait for a moment, let's operate the distillation system. This machine can be dried alone, distilled alone, and can also be dried while distilled. All are okay. It can be dried and distilled simultaneously at the same time. Come here now, a box of oil has been in. Come on. Turn off the night dream. 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 Turn off the distillation. Turn off a box. Turn off the night dream. Okay, at this time, we want to distillate. Which key should we press? Press the distillation key. At this time, just press the distillation button. Just press the distillation button to turn on the circulating water first. I heard that. The circulating water will start automatically after the distillation button is turned on. The circulating water will start automatically. Then at this time, the equipment will have a distillation test. After the distillation test is completed, it will probably be. After about 2 minutes, the vacuum system will start. The vacuum system will start. You can see it here when it starts. As soon as it starts, the oscillation system will start heating. After a while, the oil comes out and you can see the oil coming out. The oil flows out. Wait for a while. 1.5 minutes to detect the test time. Then at this time, the vacuum pump started. Is it there? Is there a little flow here? Did you see it? When the oil flows here, the oil here has now started. This sound is the sound that comes with it. Don't worry about it. It has nothing to do with the fault. The one-way valve inside. Then at this time, let's look at this table. This table is reversed to the opposite direction. It starts from 0 to 0, and it goes all the way to -0. Have you seen this? It is the pressure of our sporadic filter. This is the pressure of powder filter. This is the pressure of vacuum negative pressure. You only need to display the pressure gauge from negative pressure when the needle flows. He saw from the opposite direction from the right to the left. This is negative pressure and this is ours. This is our air pump pressure. Now the air pump is 0.6 kilograms. Air pump pressure. Air pump pressure. The needle flow pressure of the air pump is now -0.608 to 0.9. Look at it at -0.9. This is our needle flow temperature. Now it is the needle flow temperature. We set it to 120 degrees. He will wait a moment, and it will rise from now 12 degrees from 12 degrees. The temperature will rise until 100,110,120.